Hi, are you concerned that your child might not be fully prepared for Key Stage 3 Science in years 7, 8 and 9 and worried about how this could affect their progress in later years? I understand that science at this level is foundational, and if your child struggles with core concepts, it can be difficult for them to catch up as the curriculum becomes more advanced. These gaps can make the transition to GCSE Science even more challenging. As parents, you may feel that large class sizes and limited resources can make it difficult for students to engage with the subject and build a deep understanding of science. That's where we step in. My name is Adnan Khan, and I've seen how important it is to establish a solid foundation of Key Stage 3 Science covering biology, chemistry and physics before moving on to more advanced topics at GCSE level. Our science program is designed to fill any knowledge gaps, provide personalized support, and help your child build confidence in core areas of Key Stage 3 Science. We focus on making learning engaging and relevant so your child keeps up with the curriculum and develops a genuine interest in the subject science. Do you want your child to get grades A in Key Stage 3 Science? Well, in this case, click the button below to register and we'll provide you with much more information.